Okay, in this video, we're going to create a new database on our new web host so we can import all the data from our existing web page or website onto that new database. So to do this, we're going to have to log back into our control panel on our new host. So we'll jump into the login. Rightio, so once we've logged into the control panel, we're going to have to create our new database. Now, depending on your host provider, this mileage may vary here, but you should have an option like MySQL databases or MySQL database wizard, or maybe you can use the PHP MyAdmin. In this case, I believe I've got to go into MySQL databases, and it gives me the option to create a new database. So it's automatically going to put my username and underscore at the beginning of the database name. So we'll just add the Elementor at the end, so we know which database it belongs to. And we'll create that database. Okay. So now we've created a database called Elementor. Of course, it's completely empty at the moment, no tables or anything. What we will also do is create a new user for this database. So under our Add New User section, we'll create a username for them. In this case, I'm just going to use the same name as the database. A password. And we will create that user. Okay. And now we want to add that user to a database. So underneath Add User to Database, we're going to select our Elementor user. And then under our database, we're going to select our Elementor database and add them. Now it's going to give us choices of what we want to allow them to do in the database. And seeing as this is going to be the main user that the WordPress site is going to use, we want all privileges, just to be simple. Make changes. And we should get a little message letting us know that that's all been changed. Which means our database now should be right for us to start using.